Question 25 of the UTME 2018 Physics Past Question. That's your Jamb 2018 Physics exam. It says, in a series RLC circuit at resonance, the voltages across the resistor and inductor are 30 volts and 40 volts respectively. What is the voltage across the capacitor? Okay, so when you see RLC, this is your resistor, your resistance, this is inductor, and this is what? Your capacitor. Okay, that's your resistor, inductor, capacitor. Okay, and when you see when the question asks you a series RLC circuit at resonance, for a series RLC circuit to be at resonance, your inductive reactance, which is what XL, must be equal to your capacitive what reactance, okay, which is what XC. And remember that what VL is equal to what IXL, and VC is equal to what IX what C. Okay, the current is the same, all right? So the question asks us here that what is the voltage across the capacitor in a series of RLC circuit at resonance. Okay, so at resonance, your inductive reactance is equal to your inductive capacitance. So it means that the voltage, and we've been given the voltage of the inductor as what? 40. So it means that the voltage of the inductor will be equal to that of what? The capacitor. And you can see here, if we say this VL equal to what? VC, this will be what? IXL equal to what? IXC. Okay, so this will cancel out this, so you still have what? Your inductive reactance equating what? Your capacitive what? Reactance. So VL will be equal to VC. So definitely the voltage across the capacitor will be the same as the voltage across the conductor, which is what? 40 V. And our right option here is option D.